everyone, and welcome to another episode of Sofia, Faris,
and Farhan's Garage.
Our tools, our rules. So let's get started. So today we are going to take off our old bumper, and my dad's going to tell you more about why we're going to do it.
And today's episode is pretty cool because this is the first episode we're going to teach you how to put a new bumper on, but actually Sofia is going to help me and she's going to do the work on this video and she's going to show you how to take this off. So I've already loosened this bumper. I'm going to show you. You have to actually get into the trunk, and I'm literally holding it with my leg, so I am going to let it come off and drop right here. As you guys can see, this is a black bumper. Originally they were really shiny and cool, like this chrome. So we're gonna actually take this bumper and get it fixed later. We bought a new one.
Yeah, we're gonna unbox the new one, and then we're gonna take off these to put on the new one.
Exactly. So that's very good, Sophia, because when we took it off, we took the bumper off from the inside. So we had to go in, take off some bolts. You guys can see 2 bolts here, 1 bolt here that we took off from the inside of the trunk. It was very easy. And then there are 2 bolts here on the bottom that we took off right here. 1 here, 1 here.
Yeah, and then we took some more off over here.
Exactly, and then we took 3 more bolts here. So I saved all the bolts. I put them in a bag so that we don't lose them. We don't want to lose any bolts. And now Sophia is gonna take these bolts off in a second. We're gonna first show you the new bumper, and we're gonna unbox it. So that is over there. So Sophia, do you want to get started and start unboxing?
Yep, let's get started.
Cool. They packaged it really well.
So this is really heavy, and
It's actually not that heavy, but we're gonna put the original bumper back in this box, and we're gonna take the new one off. So let's go ahead. Yeah, let's go ahead and put it over here. Let's show everyone.
And let's open it.
I'm so excited about opening this new box. It's like Christmas in June.
Yeah.
You're gonna cut this? Okay, so be careful. You don't want to mess your hands up. Okay. Right here. Okay, now cut it.
No, you do it. I don't
Okay.
want to. Oh,
There we go.
I want to try the other one.
Okay, come here. Be careful.
I know.
You don't want to play with knives, kids, without your parents, okay? And we are being very careful.
There
We open that. I'm gonna close this so no one gets hurt. We're gonna, yep, put that away. Always clean up as you go.
Yeah.
And then let's go ahead and open the box from this side.
Go.
Do you want to pull it from here?
Yeah.
No, from here first on the corner so it's easy. All right, there we go. Now let's do the other one. Yep, and then let's do the one at the end. Cool.
There we go.
Okay.
Whoa, this is nice.
Yeah. Pull it out. Look at this nice, shiny, new bumper. Just put it down. Let's go ahead and open this. Just be careful because we want to save the packaging. We might need it for the other bumper, the old one that we're going to put back in here. So just be careful here. Do you want to?
Here, I'll do the
Other side.
Yeah. Okay.
So we've got our shiny new chrome bumper.
It's really shiny.
Yep. So next, what Sophia's gonna do, she's gonna take the bolts off of the old bumper and the brackets. We're gonna have to put them on this one, but we also need to make sure that everything aligns, because sometimes in new parts things don't line up properly because they're a little different from originals. You know, this one looks pretty close, but we're gonna make sure that we measure as well.
And so to make it easier to take the bolts out, my dad sprayed this on it so that it'd be easier for me to do it.
Show it to me.
Right here.
Yep, so that gets in there and helps us take old rusty bolts off quicker and easier. The bolts on this weren't too bad. It actually looks really good. The car's in pretty good shape.
And to do this, we're gonna wear some gloves to stay safe.
Exactly, so that if anything gets on her hands or whatever, her hands are
Something
protected.
happened.
The gloves are a little big for Sofia,
Except it's
but
okay.
it's okay. All right, once you have your gloves on, let me know, and you can pick up the tool.
I can't put these on.
There you
Okay,
go.
there we go.
Got it. So we're gonna use a simple wrench here. Always work with your parents. Make sure that they're watching, they're observing you so that you don't get hurt. We have a socket on the other side. This is called an extension. It's gonna make it easier for Sofia to get to the bolt and then turn the bolts so that she can take them off.
Done.
Okay, are you ready?
Okay, yeah.
You wanna, which bolt do you wanna start
Let's
with?
start over here.
Okay,
Right here.
over there, okay. Make sure you keep it straight and go. I'm gonna help you. Turn it, pull it.
Oh,
There you
like
go.
that.
Keep turning. Yeah. And now Sophia's taking the bolts off. See that? Pretty cool. Keep going, going.
Oh.
I'll hold it in place.
Okay. Thanks. You
Okay.
see it's
You
coming
want me to
out
now?
over here?
Exactly.
coming out over
And
here.
now I will help you finish it up.
Thanks.
It's
it
still stuck a little bit.
Okay. Little more. Almost there.
Almost there. Let's see if I can take it off by hand. Nope. These are old, dirty bowls.
We had this for a long time. This car.
Keep in mind, this is a 1970 Camaro, so some of these parts are almost 50 years old. So see, you've got the bolt off now, right here. The nuts off, and now we are gonna rotate and take this one off. This one's painted black, so we have new bolts that we ordered that are the correct chrome, so we're gonna use those. We're gonna start saving these as Sofia takes them off. I'm gonna save everything and keep everything in a Ziploc bag that I'm gonna go and grab in a second.
Now we're gonna do this one.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna take this off.
We're gonna put new bolts on it. Let's see how they look. This is the first time we're opening them. Never seen these bolts before. This is what they look like. They look pretty good. And I think these are all gonna work. They are almost the same size, so they should be good to go. So let's go ahead and open these bags. We'll go from there. I don't have my knife. I'm gonna go grab the knife real quick.
I'll go get it.
You go get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Grab it. It's over there in that box. The box.
Oh, I see it.
Cut it open.
Oh.
So there's
Open.
2 bolts. We need a total of how many bolts do we need? Do you know?
No.
Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Nope.
9.
We just need 6. We need 6
Oh.
bolts, and then we need the other washers, which we have enough. So that's good. Don't drop them because you're gonna get scratches on them. So just leave them. Yep. And so we put them on. Really nice. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and start with this one. Do you want to do that? I can put it on with my hand, and then you can tighten it later.
Okay.
That works.
So I'll just let you do that.
Turn it off right now. Yep. So this bolt's gonna go this way. It's gonna be outside. Yep. Do you want to grab one of those?
Yeah. Here.
And tighten it. Go ahead. Now, one thing we didn't do because we're lazy is we should have cleaned this part, but instead we're just kind of putting it back on.
You could do it if you want it to look nice.
You won't see it in the bag, but obviously you want everything to be as clean as possible.
Yeah,
and it would be nice.
That's what we like.
Yep, so now Sophia's gonna tighten this, so I'm gonna turn it the other way. Sophia, you need to put some muscle into it and tighten it good, okay? The other way, make sure this goes in straight. Now pull. There you go, push.
Whoop.
Okay, yep, push. Good job. All right, that's good enough, and I can tighten it later.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
thank
let's
you.
do another one.
Now we have to put this bracket on like that. See how everything fits in?
We'll put this one in.
Good job. Yep, that's the right
And
direction.
then this will go in.
You want to tighten it? Very good.
There we go.
You want to do the rest of it?
Yeah, I think I can.
Good job.
Okay.
Okay.
Get another one.
Yep, so
I'm
let's put it
moving
on
my
the
cursor.
other side. You have to come in this way. Good job, yeah.
Oh,
That
there
way
we go.
it looks all nice and shiny outside. Bracket goes in. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to adjust this bracket a little bit because I'm gonna have to go and put it on the car and see how it looks. As you can see, it's not like completely flush. So I'm gonna put it on and mess around with it a little bit also.
Oh my goodness, I can't do that one.
Okay, I got it in my hand.
Now, I'm gonna come on the other side. Okay.
You wanna do the middle one
Yep.
now?
Do it.
So here's the middle one, goes on. Sophia, do you want to put it in from the back?
Put it in from here.
I'm going to
There we
hold
go.
it for you, now you can tighten it.
I keep dropping it. There we go. Almost there. And it is in. You can tighten it up. Okay.
Okay.
Gonna get this and this.
All right, let's go over there. And let's
I'm gonna put this here.
put this one on.
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you want to start with on that side?
Let's start on this side.
Cool. Hold it for you. Straight, please. Yep, now turn it.
There. Now let's get the last two.
Okay, put it in on this side.
Here.
Go.
It's not.
It'll go. Just push it.
Okay.
I'll help you. Okay. I'll help you real quick.
Whoops. Okay, don't want to break it or
Nope. We'll adjust it a little bit
okay.
and then start turning it. Make sure this guy goes in. Wiggle it. And it's
There
in.
we go. Done.
All right, and I'm gonna come back and adjust everything later, but this is good enough for now.
Yep.
I'm gonna screw it a little bit more.
Get up.
Let's do the corner one. Do you want to grab a bolt?
Okay.